there is a complete disconnection on the underground system. When I catch my train to work, I've got a 4-hour commute every day, and I look at everybody and they are like zombies. They're literally on their phones, walking up escalators or down escalators. I'm surprised they don't even fall down, but anyway, they are. And I'm the sort of person that needs to have connection. If I'm traveling for 4 hours a day, I need to have at least speak to somebody at least. So what I do in my head when I see somebody, for me to connect to them and to pass like good vibes to them, I say, so imagine me walking on the escalator downwards and there's people going upwards. I'll say in my head, hey you with the blue shirt, I hope you have a fantastic day. Hey you, the girl with the brown coat, I love your hair, you've curled it fabulously. And do you know what? Somebody else today is going to compliment you on your hair today. And then I'll say to somebody else, cheer up and smile, your day will be better. Basically what I do is I try to connect with them by saying something in my head to them. I know that might sound a bit nuts, but do you know what? It makes me feel better. I feel like I've connected with them. And you never know, the vibration that I'm sending out to them, somehow it might reach them and they might feel good.
So you actually say it in your mind, you don't actually say it out loud to them?
No, I say it in my mind. And at times I have actually said on the tube, if somebody does manage to make eye contact with me for that slight second, I might actually just throw them a compliment. I'll say, hey, I really like your shoes, they're a really great colour, where did you buy them? And I might freak them out, fair enough, but they've received a compliment and they might be stunned slightly, but they'll always want to talk to me.
So you have already tried speaking out loud?
Yeah, I do.
And what kind of reactions have you had so far? Can you think of a couple?
I can only do that when people don't put the headphones in their ears. And you know, when I have done, I've had a really good conversation with them. There was one lady on the train and I sat next to her and we ended up talking about holidays, our favourite holiday destinations. And we actually left each other just feeling really quite infused by life actually. Okay, fine, I knew I'd never ever seen her again and I knew that we won't be Facebook friends, but hey, that little connection meant something to her and it actually meant something to me as well, and that was it. I know she made my day and I know that I made her day. So these little interactions, what I'm trying to do now is try to have at least one interaction with someone on a daily basis. If I'm not able to do that, just walking down the escalator, I'll just send good vibes to people. And at least I feel good about myself that I've tried to connect with somebody in some shape or form. And also you then less worry about your day. If you've got worries in your mind about something, when you are appreciative of other people, even strangers, it just helps you become more appreciative about your own life as well. So there's little things like that I do to try to connect with strangers.